Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Drunk Nurse Crashes Her Car, Goes Nuts. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they are actually talking about here.
Hello. You okay? What happened?
Trying to get out.
And what happened? How'd you manage that?
I got stuck.
Did you? You were hanging out or something?
Yeah, I was at Punch
Mm-hmm.
with my friends.
I gotcha. And question for you. Have you had any drinks tonight?
I mean, I've had a couple of drinks.
Okay. All right. How many drinks have you had?
About 3.
About 3? Okay. And about how long ago was that?
Probably within 2 hours.
Okay. All right.
I'm a nurse.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I don't know if that makes any difference.
I gotcha. Okay. So I'm gonna just run some tests if that's okay with you, just to make sure that you're okay. I mean, your vehicle isn't okay, but
Yeah, obviously.
yeah. So would you be okay doing some tests for me? Okay. Can you do me a favor? Just put your feet together. Put your hands at your side. This. You. So I'm gonna use my finger, and I just want you to follow it. Okay. This is gonna be considered my stimulus. Okay. I just want you to follow my finger, okay? I'll tell you what, let's walk over here. Now place your right foot on the line ahead of your left foot, with the heel of your right foot against the toe of your left foot. Take 9 heel-to-toe steps on the line, turn around and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back on the line. Do you understand the instructions?
Yes.
You may begin.
Yeah.
When I tell you to raise either foot approximately 6 inches off the ground, keeping your raised foot parallel to the ground. You must keep both legs straight and arms at your side. Hold that position while you count out loud in the following manner: 1001, 1002, 1003. Alright, I got one more thing for you, okay? Alright, would you be willing to blow in this?
What would that mean?
This is...
Like, what would that mean? Like, okay, I'm an anesthesia.
All right, let me break it down to you, sweetheart. It means you going to jail. It means you going to jail, and they building a case on you, sweetheart, okay? I'm a nurse. I was a nurse. Is more like it. That's okay. Shoot. Nah, I don't know. I think it depends. It depends though. Some people still get to keep their nursing thing or whatever, even if they got a DUI or whatever the case may be. But it all depends on the situation. But yeah, you going to jail. Okay. Damn. Pretty girl too, man. Can't be drinking and driving, man. You're putting everybody at risk, okay, when you do that.
Anesthesia.
Mm-hmm.
Like, professional.
Okay.
So I'm going to school to be an anesthesia professional.
Mm-hmm.
So, and I'm a single mother.
Okay.
So, like, what I blow in this is gonna affect my whole life. And I live about one.
You being a single mom, does that affect you drinking or driving or not? I mean, does that affect the outcome? Oh, I'm a single mom. Yeah, man. I feel bad for you. You know, I don't know. Like, nah. I get it. It's tough. It's tough on the single moms, you know what I'm saying? But we got to go to the root of the problem here. And the root of the problem is you decided to have a few too many cocktails and decided to get behind that wheel and crash your car.
Block from here. Okay, so I get it. Like, I shouldn't have gotten behind my wheel. I get it. But that is gonna fuck up my whole life.
So are you refusing to do this?
I mean, I don't know. Should
I mean, you have. I mean,
that's like,
that's
honestly, like, can you just
so you're
be
gonna
my friend right now? Like,
ma'am,
because
no, I'm not here to be anybody's friend. I'm just here to do my job. Okay. So you're gonna be placed under arrest for DUI. Okay, driving under the influence. Okay. So like I said, I'd like to give people the option if they want to blow or not. Okay.
Please don't. Please don't.
Unfortunately,
Please don't. That's
unfortunately,
everything. That's everything. I'm a single mother, okay? And I've done everything in my life to be an anesthesia professional. And this will mess up my entire life. I'll kill myself.
Well, I don't want you to kill yourself, but like I said,
this is what it will come to.
Well, I don't want that to happen, but like I said, you're being placed under arrest for driving under the influence. Okay?
Coming out of this.
Keep going this way. You know, sit right here. Community Protection Act, and were subsequently found not guilty of the associated DUI charge.
What does that mean?
Say it again.
Can you just say what that
Well,
means?
I have to read. I'm gonna explain everything to you, but I have to read this first.
Okay, I get it. Okay, I get it. You have to read that.
I do.
But I'm also like an anesthesia.
And that's fine, but let me get through this first because it's fairly long.
I was an ICU nurse. Okay, so just read it to me straight.
Well, that's what I have to read all this first.
Read it to me straight.
Well, I have to read all this first, okay? And then I'll be able to explain everything to you, okay? Considering the above, you are warned if you refuse distorted extremities and injuries that require the injured party to be carried from the scene. Would you like to submit to all chemical testing? So that means, I was just about to say, so that means that you will blow in our intoximeter, which is our alpha sensor 5 right here. Then we will go to the hospital and you would provide blood and a urine sample.
What did I do? Like, what the fuck did I do for like this?
For being impaired while operating the motor vehicle.
I mean, I didn't hurt anyone. Like, what the fuck?
And before you could hurt someone, that's why you're being arrested, because
I fucking live right down the street.
That doesn't matter, ma'am.
Right down the street.
That doesn't matter. You were coming out of a parking lot and you crashed your car.
I was trying to get out of the parking lot. Like, why is the parking lot blocked off?
Because it's closed
after
after
9 p.m. Because this fucking town is a piece of shit.
I got you.
That's what it is. That's the fucking people, like, want to fucking do drug shit and
so are you refusing all chemical testing?
and all that shit, and so we can't get out of the parking lot at 9 p.m.
So
That's fucking crazy.
So are you refusing all chemical testing?
Like, oh, goddamn, kill myself. Like, whatever.
Well, I'm asking you a question.
Whatever, I'll kill myself.
Okay. Well, I'm asking you a question.
It's fine. I'll kill myself.
Okay.
After this. I hope you understand.
Okay. So are you refusing?
Once I understand.
Are you refusing chemical
testing? Once I get out of here, I'm gonna kill myself.
Okay. So are you refusing?
I'm an anesthesia professional that just got fucking. What did I just fucking get arrested
for? So are you
refusing
chemical testing?
I don't even know. Like, I need to talk to somebody because I just want to fucking die right now. I just want to fucking die right now. Like, honestly, I just want to fucking die right now. Is there any way that I could fucking die right now? Like, honestly, because I don't want to fucking do this.
So you're refusing chemical testing?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll do fucking chemical testing.
You say you will?
Yes.
Okay.
Like, what do you need? What exactly are you trying to do? Like, why are you fucking going after me?
I'm not going after you, man.
You are of everyone you could fucking go after. Okay. In fucking Champaign, Illinois.
Well, I'm sorry you feel that way.
You're going after me? You're going after me. I was a fucking ICU nurse for 5 years. 5 years, an ICU nurse. Like, what the fuck? Like, my life is done after this. My life is done. So you might as well cut these.
Man, I hate when they try to throw their job as if it matters. You throwing everything at the officer. I was an ICU nurse for 5 years and this and that. And I get it. I mean, listen, I know I got, I look at my analytics. I know I got a lot of ladies that watch me, but it doesn't matter. It's did you do this crime? Yes or no? And the cop didn't just come there looking for you. He was called to the scene because of your actions. You got him there. So you can't turn around and sit there and say, oh, why are you going after me? I'm not going after you. I was called there because of you. Come on, man. Just because you a nurse don't mean that you above the law. Just because you a cop don't mean you above the law. Just because you a CO don't mean you above the law. At the end of the day, you do your job, you whatever. But after that, you're a regular person, just like everybody else. When I was a CO and I used to get pulled over or whatever, sometimes you might be able to get a courtesy, but then sometimes no. You know what I mean? Sometimes, you don't even let them know that, if an officer is pulling you over or whatever. And, not all the time do you want to, show your credentials or whatever the case may be or whatever. Sometimes you just want to play it cool and to see what would happen, you just being a regular person. You know what I mean? And listen, they do give breaks, but if I was drinking and driving and got into an accident where somebody got to get called and all that stuff, it don't matter what you is. You not getting no courtesy, okay? This is not you, maybe crossing the line or, maybe going through the yellow light a little bit too fast. You know what I'm saying? Or you may be going 10 miles over the speed limit. This is a little different here. And yeah, you didn't hit anybody, but what if you did?
Bullet to my fucking head, because it's done. It's done. And if you let me go, I'll just fucking do it myself. Do it myself, because you just fucking ruined my entire life. It's over. It's over.
Like I said, I'm going to ask you one more time. Are you going to submit to the chemical testing?
I mean, yes, okay. But what does that mean for me? Like, what does that mean for me? Because I don't know, like, what you've been through, but I've, like, put my whole life into being a CRNA, okay? And if this ruins that, then I just ruined my entire life.
Sit down. Sit down.
Kill me. Kill me.
Sit. Sit down.
Kill me.
What are you doing? Sit down.
Kill me. I'd rather die.
She took off the cuffs? Wow. See, the footage don't got no audio. You know what I'm saying? So trying to fill in, you know what I mean? But hey, listen, she tried to get out, man. Hey, listen, she better act right, boy, because they about to get her together.
Relax.
Don't let them call the girl officers.
She just pulled out?
Oh, yeah. Literally, I'm an ICU nurse. Like, what the fuck are you guys doing?
This stuff happens, okay? It's not a big deal. Get you squared away, okay?
Kill me. Like, for real. Fucking kill me. Kill me.
Crystal, you're going to make it worse on you.
In my head. God damn. Like, what the fuck do I have to do?
Y'all got this cuff to get loose? You have to unlock it again. She keeps flipping them. That's what happens.
Kill me!
Keep breathing, Crystal. You're doing really good.
Oh, fuck you!
Stop. You're doing fine.
Seriously, just fucking kill me!
So then go ahead and release that
fucking
one.
bullet in my head. God damn, there's nothing left to live for.
Crystal,
everything I lived for is over now.
Not true.
It's fucking over now. Just fucking kill me.
Okay, we're gonna help you.
Fucking stab it.
We're gonna sit you up, okay? Come on, Crystal. Stand up. Good. Very good. Very good. All right. Have a seat right here, okay? You're doing just fine. Okay?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me out real quick? Hear me out. You're an ICU nurse. The thing is, when you make this report,
there's nothing left to live for.
There is. People make mistakes.
No, there's nothing left.
People make mistakes, okay?
No, I've lived my whole life to do CRNA. And now there's nothing left.
All right, Crystal. So remember you said you'll submit to all the testing? I just need to take a deep breath and then blow into this, okay? You ready? Hold on. Take a deep breath and blow. Keep blowing, 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 keep blowing. Go, 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 go. Good job. Thank you. All right, Chris, I'm going to ask you a few questions, okay? I have to read you something. You going to be okay right here while I ask you that stuff?
I mean, what the fuck do you mean? Like, after this, what do you
After this, we're going to go to the hospital.
Kill myself.
Okay, well, we don't want that to happen, okay?
That's what's gonna happen. Like,
okay.
That is what is gonna happen.
Well, I don't want that to happen. That's why we're going to the hospital, okay?
That is what is going to happen. Like, what the fuck? Like, what the fuck is this?
Okay. So I'll tell you what, instead of me asking you these questions here, I'm going to ask you at the hospital, okay?
No. As soon as I go, don't.
Well, it's not over.
Everything I've worked for is over. You don't know because you've never fucking worked for it.
I gotcha.
You don't know because you didn't spend 5 years in the ICU trying to get into anesthesia school. You don't fucking know.
Well, I'm sorry you feel that way.
You don't fucking know. So until you fucking know, then you'll understand.
Okay.
It's fucking over. I'm fucking dead.
She was charged with resisting an officer and 2 counts of DUI.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.